What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video showcasing my favorite stylers of 2019. And these are stylers that are completely new except for one staple product that's been here from the jump of my first natural hair big chop, which was back almost 6 years ago. So yeah, if you came here for that video, make sure you stay tuned. But first, as always, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and join the Naturally Xandra family so we can really bond. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at _Naturally Xandra so you get exclusive content of my life behind the scenes. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into my favorite stylers of 2019. Let's get it. So the first styler is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator for dry, dehydrated hair. It's with pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter, no sulfates, mineral oil, silicones, the usual. This is what it looks like. I have a huge, for this price, you guys, I believe it was only like $5 or $6. This is a lot of product for $5 or $6, and it is amazing as far as curl activating. I don't know about the shrinkage defense. I made a video reviewing this whole line, so I'll put that in the cards above, and I'll also drop it in the description box if I can, if I remember. But this is the truth, you guys. I did this with my wash and go. I'll try to find a picture of when I did that, but I ended up washing it out because I was supposed to install box braids, but I ended up doing that and then taking it out like less than 24 hours later. Yeah, if you want a story time on that video, on that whole mentality of why that happened, comment down below and just comment. I just need one comment and I'll do it. But yeah, this is one of my favorite stylers. I still am learning how to pair this with other products because this is a thick product and my hair is fine. So I don't want to put too much products on top of it. So yeah, I'm still working on that, but I know I have one combo for wash and go that definitely works. The next one I'm gonna go to is the one that's very reputable in the natural hair community. Some women like it, most women love it, some don't like it, but it's the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with silk protein and neem oil. It moisturizes and curl defines thick curly hair. I do not have thick hair, so that's a stereotype right there. I think people assume because you got curly hair you have thick hair. No, not everybody has thick hair. Some products that work for me with my fine hair definitely will work for you, but then some may not because it may weigh my hair down too much or may be too much for my low porosity hair, because I do have low porosity, fine, high density hair. So it's a lot intertwined. But this is one of my staples. I love partnering this with any leave-in. This is the truth, you guys, for me. Like for my hair, I can't speak for other people's hair, but for my hair, it works amazing. This will always have my heart. Never a dull moment with this. I compare this with any leave-in and I won't get flakes. I compare this with any product and I won't get flakes. It's crazy. The next one is a newer one that a lot of people have been getting hip to, but I feel this company doesn't get enough reputation in the natural community. It's for all hair types. It's the Texture ID Styling Cream. It's the coconut. It's with cocoa butter and shea butter. It provides medium hold while retaining moisture and elasticity. And this is what it looks like. Excuse the mowing outside. This is what it looks like. It's a very big container. It has 12 ounces and this consistency is weird, very weird. I got some hair in here. This is what it looks like. See, this texture is very weird. It's like, it's creamy when you rub it together, but it's like jelly. It's like a jelly type feel. But I love it. I love it on my hair. I'm about to wash my hair today, so I probably shouldn't put this in my hair now, but it won't do no harm. And then the last one that I need more of, that I've been slipping. I haven't purchased more of this. I don't know why. I think it's because I've tried so many different products, but the smell is amazing on this. Oh, so good. I love the smell of Luster Pink. I think I got some on my lip just now. Just excuse that. The Luster Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Super Moisturizing Curl Definer provides exceptional softness and super daily curl refresher. I would highly recommend you try this product. None of what they just said is a lie. It's all true. This is another one that I can compare to the Curl Enhancing Smoothie because it gives me the same like thing of working with any leave-in I use, any product I use, it works well with, and it really it's a really good curl definer. It's kind of like all these 3 products, like all these 4 products really. All of these are good with curl enhancing, natural curls. It's good with twist outs, braid outs, all of that. All these products are amazing. I really am grateful that they created these products. Shout out to Shea Moisture, Cream of Nature, Texture ID, and Luster Pink for creating these amazing products. But yeah, these are my favorite out of my whole stash. I have a bunch of other styling products that I don't like in the cabinet, so if you want a video of that, leave that down below. I already posted about one of them, like a video specifically for that one, but I'm gonna group them all together instead of, you know, bashing one at once. I'm gonna bash them all together. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your family and friends, and we're on the road to 200 subs. We may be at it by the time you know, watch this video, because this is multiple videos recorded in one day, so if you see me in the same outfit, same hair, that's why. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.